If you like the video, please subscribe Technical PCT channel and click the bell icon to get the latest videos.
Good afternoon to all. And yesterday we went through some problems related to finding of inverse using elementary transformations, right? Now, write down another problem which is on the board related to same, but it will be different. Just write down. Now, by seeing the problem itself, we can analyze. That means yesterday I have given you one shortcut to find out inverse of one matrix. Capital A is equal to A, B, C, D. Then A inverse can be written as 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus CA. Am I right? Now, let us do, that means by seeing the problem itself, just observe 1 by, what is AD value? Like this, right? 2 2s are 4 minus BC value is equals to 4 into D minus B minus C A. So you are going to get this one if you use this formula. Okay, at this time what happens? 1 by 0, so the inverse does not exist, right? That means this is, if let us consider this is capital A is equal to this. Okay, if you find, of course you are going to get this one in the next chapter called determinants. Okay, even you can use that concept also. Or A is equal to this one, AD minus BC value is equals to 0. That means AD minus BC is nothing but determinant of A. That A is equals to 0. Therefore, inverse does not exist. Over. But now, how to do this problem when it comes to elementary transformations? Same, capital A is equals to this. Observe, AI is equals to A into 1001 is equals to 2142. Right? Now, R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1. I am going to get capital A into, see, I am changing R2. You just keep R1 as it is. 1, 0, 0 minus 2. It is negative 2. 1 minus 0, 1 is equals to, observe, 2, 1 as it is. 4 here. 4 minus 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 2, right? Here 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now, what is our aim? Our aim is to get the RHS as 1001. Already you got 2 zeros here. There is no possibility of getting 1 here. Am I right? Therefore, you can write directly the inverse as the entire row is 0. The inverse does not exist, right? I am repeating this problem. According, first method, according to this method, A is equal to ABCD. By seeing the problem itself, we can say if AD minus BC value is equal to 0, it becomes singular matrix. At that time, the inverse does not exist. Now, how to do in normal method when elementary transformations have been given to you? So, capital A is equals to this, AI is equal to this, AI is equals to this. So, R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1 if I do. A into this is equal to, I am going to get last row as 0. Therefore, you can write, since entire second row elements are 0, the inverse does not exist. Okay, copy it. Copy that one. Don't copy this one. This is shortcut method which you should not use in your board. Use this one. After copying this, write down one problem which is 3 by 3 matrix. And just now I have seen the chat box. Some student asked me, sir, whether to write this in fair notes or rough notes. This is the classroom now. Better to write seriously in the fair notes itself. So that means there are 2 or 3 problems. 2 or 3 problems are there. We can wind up. Yes, I think you have copied that problem. Copy this one. Now, do slowly. As this is 3 by 3 matrix, don't worry. First of all, don't go through the problem. Just try to convert this as I, 1, 0, 0. That means try to convert this as 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Try to get this one as 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Afterwards, that means at the second time, definitely I will go through AI is equal to A formula. Okay, start doing that one. Start doing that one. Parallel to me, 2, let us see, minus 3, 3. Okay, 2, 2, 3. 2 slowly, nothing to worry. 3 minus 2, 2. Yes. I will give you time of just 2 minutes. Think, first of all, you should get this one as 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. What are the rules and regulations you can follow? The first rule it is, you can interchange any 2 rows or 2 columns. Right? The second rule, you should use only the row operations or only the column operations. The third rule is you can multiply with any scalar or divide with any scalar, means any real number, throughout that row or column. So I will give you just 2 minutes time. Start doing. Be serious. Just try to get it. Don't copy whatever there is on the board. Just try to do it with your own effort, because you are going to get same type of pattern even in JEE level in consistency rule in the next chapter called determinants. So better to do in individually. You just try to get this as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Later I will start discussion after 2 minutes. Yes, observe. Okay. There is no government order to do only in my method, but the steps which you are writing should be correct. Okay. Observe. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. R3 changes to R3 minus R1. You can use 2 steps, but observe, I am changing R2 and R3. I should not change R1 again. I can change only 2 rows or 2 columns. I prefer to do in row operations. Okay. Now R2 and R3 are changing, so R1 keep as it is. 2 minus 3, 3. Now 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus of minus 3 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. Observe. Next, 3 R3 changes to R3 minus R1. 3 minus 2 value 1 minus 2 minus of minus 3. It is 1 minus 2 minus of minus 3. Which means minus 2 plus 3 is 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Okay. Now, observe. R1 changes to R1 changes to R1 minus R2, or you can write R1 minus 2R3 and R2 divided by 5. 2 row operations I have used. R1 changes to R1 minus 2R3 means I am going to get 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 3 minus minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. 3 minus of minus 2 is equals to 5. And 0, here it is 1 and here it is 0. Why? Because R2 divided by 5 and R1, R2 change, R3 as it is. Right? Now, next step, observe R1 divided by 5, okay, and R3 changes to R3 minus R2. Okay, that means I am going to get 0 minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now, 1 minus 1 value is 0 and it is minus 1. Okay. Now, R3 changes to or else you can do R1 changes to R1 plus R2. I am going to get 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 you got, and this one as it is. Now you do one thing, R3 changes to R3 plus R1. I am going to get 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now interchanging R1 and R3, R1 changes to R3. That means I am going to get R010 by taking some less steps if you want. As this is the first problem, we have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. Okay, you can wind up if you think, but the steps should be correct. Write down. Now for this problem, let us find out. I am repeating this one. Okay, I am repeating this. Observe. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. 2 minus 2. Okay, it is 0. 2 minus of minus 3 is 5. And 3 minus 3 is 0. And R3 changes to R3 minus R1. 3 minus 2, it is 1. Minus 2, here it is minus 2. Plus 3, it becomes 1. And 2 minus 3, it is negative 1. Similarly, by using this, you are going to get this one. Okay. Now, let us do this in the another method if you want. Write down using, same question, using elementary transformations. I'm going to repeat this problem again. Using elementary transformations, find the inverse of capital A is equal to this. Okay, I'm going to write capital A is equal to, and we know that AI is equal to A. A into I value is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 is equals to 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2. Right? Now, R2 changes to R2 minus R1. R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Same row operations we have used. Capital A is equal. R1 as it is 1, 0, 0. R2 changes to R2 minus 0 minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 0. 1, 0 minus 0, 0. And R3 changes to R3 minus R1. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 1 is equals to, now 2 minus 3, 3 again. Now itself we have proved this. See, 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus of minus, it is 5. And 3 minus 3, 0. And now this is 1. Okay. This is, see, you are going to get minus 2, minus 2, minus of minus 3, it is 1. Okay. Next one, 2 minus 3, it is minus 1. Now, if it is possible, even you can do in another method. See, R2, same, let us follow. R1 changes to R1 minus 2R3. And you can divide R2 by 5. You are going to get capital A. See 1 here. 1 minus 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. 1 minus of minus, it becomes plus. So 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. 0 minus 2 into 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 2 is equals to. Now R2 divided by 5 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and 0, and here it is minus 1, 0, 1, which is equals to. Now 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 3 minus 2, it is minus 5, and this is 5. Next 0, 1, 0, and this is 1 by 5, it is equals to 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, and this is as it is 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, and it is minus 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is 1, is equals to 0 plus 0, obviously 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0, and it is 1, and 0, 1, 0, and here it is 1, 0, minus 1. Next step, I think you can do R3 changes to R3 plus R1. Copy up to here. Otherwise, I will write this side. Now I am going to get capital A into, right? R3 plus R1. You just keep this one as it is, 2 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, and this is minus 4 by 5 minus 1 by, sorry, and this value is R3 plus R1 minus 4 by 5 plus 2 by 5. It is equals to minus 2 by 5. And minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is equals to 0. R3 plus R2 is it. R1 changes to R1. R3 changes to R3 plus R1. R3 changes to R3 plus R1. Minus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5. 1 minus 2 by 5 is equals to, observe, 1 minus 2 by 5 is equals to 3. Is equals to, take down here, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 you are going to get. After that, interchanging R1 and R3, take down. You write down these two problems as homework. If it is possible, do them. Otherwise, we are going to teach them in the classroom session, nothing to worry. If you want to do them, but that means these problems are very, that you can enjoy these problems if you do it individually, right? Do them slowly. First of all, don't do these all things, right? Try to convert this in the form of 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then the same operations can be used for finding A inverse. This becomes A inverse now. This becomes A inverse. By comparing A into A inverse is equals to I. Copy those two. And take down some more 2 by 2 matrices. This is also homework. Now, with this, we have completed 4 exercises of the chapter called matrices. Now, let me start the new chapter called determinants, which is continuation of this chapter. Take down the next chapter called determinants. Today, I don't want to say any introduction, just observe how to expand the determinant and all those things. Don't write the notes of this chapter. Tomorrow we can start, okay? Just observe. This is determinants. If, don't write, if capital A is equal to A, B, C, D is a 2 by 2 matrix or second order matrix, then det A, you should pronounce this one as det A is equals to AD minus BC, right? Tomorrow I am going to teach you the concept of this chapter just for today, because you have less time. I think 10 minutes is there for you. Okay, today just go through the problems, application part. Tomorrow I will start the concept of this. AD minus BC is said to be the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. Suppose, example, of course you have done now, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Means that A is equals to AD, this is 4, minus BC, this is 6, is equals to minus 2. The determinant of capital A is equals to minus 2. This is about 2 by 2 matrix. I am giving you another example. Capital A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9. Right? That A value or else, let me take another minus. Minus, and here it is minus. Okay. 3, 5, minus 7, minus 9. I am giving you the example which is not there. Okay, in your book. That A is equals to. Okay. AD means minus 27. Minus of BC is nothing but minus 35. So whatever the value you are going to get, that will be the answer. Understood? So this is the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. This is the way how to expand 2 by 2 matrix determinant. Now, what about 3 by 3 matrix? Directly I will give you example. After application part, tomorrow I am going to teach you the concept of this one. Just observe. Capital A is equals to 1, 0, 3, 5, 6, minus 4, minus 2, 1, minus 5. Let me take this one example. Okay. Now, or else take zeros. Easily you are going to find det A. How to find out det A? How to expand determinant? Det A is equals to determinant of, okay, which is equals to, how to expand it? Observe. Slowly I will teach you. Today only application part, tomorrow concept of this one. Now, this element 1 into, exclude this column and this row and write the determinant of the 6. 6 minus 4, 1, 0. Minus, here positive over negative. 0 into next element. This is 0. No? Excluding this column and this row, you are going to get 5 minus 4 minus 2, 0 are the elements. positive, negative, positive. 3 into, just exclude this column and this row, you are going to get 5, 6, minus 2, 1. Okay, I am going to repeat the process of this one. Okay, observe. This element into whatever may be the element, you should write it. This element into exclude this column and this row, you are going to get these 4 elements. Write down the determinant of them. Positive over negative. This element into exclude this column and this row, you are having 4 elements. Write down here. Plus this element into exclude this column and this row, you are going to get these 4 elements. Write down. Now I think you got it, right? 1 into, this is det of A, B, C, D. Again, A, B, C, D, A, D, 6 into 0, minus BC, 1 into minus 4, minus of minus, positive, minus 0 into AD, 5 into 0, 0, minus of, minus into minus, positive into 8, it is minus 8, already positive over there, right? Now plus 3 into AD 5, minus of minus 12 is nothing but positive. I am repeating, this element into excluding this concerned column and row, you are going to get 4 elements. Right down here as determinant. Positive over negative. Sir, why positive, negative, positive? You are going to get next in the next classes, like tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Don't worry. 1 is positive, next negative. 0 this element into excluding this column and this row, these 4 elements, plus 3 into exclude this column and this row, you are going to get these 4 elements. Now 1 into A, B, C, D, AD minus BC, right? Minus 0 into 0 minus 8 plus 3 into 5 minus of minus, it is 12. Now simplifying this, whatever the value you got, that will be the determinant of capital A. Again, I am going to take another example and I am going to give you. Observe it clearly how to expand the determinant. Of course, some students got this in your straight lines chapter, first PUC, concurrent lines, that is equals to 0 in objective. If A is equals to, listen, if A is equals to 4, okay, 3 minus 1 and 0, 0, 8 and 4 are minus 3, 2, 1 like this. Then he asked you to find out det A. What do? First, 4, this element, into exclude this column and this row and write down these elements. I think you got it. Minus this element into exclude this column and this row, 0, 8, minus 3, 1, minus 1 into exclude this row and this column, you are going to get 0, 0, minus 3, 2. I am repeating. 4 into exclude this column and this row, and write down remaining elements. Minus 3 into exclude this column, this row, and write down remaining elements. Minus 1 into, already see, positive, negative. Here you should get positive, but minus 1 is here, so I am writing minus 1 into exclude this column and this row. You are going to get these elements right down there. Now 4 into AD 0 minus BC 16 minus 3 into AD 0 minus BC minus of minus 24 minus 1 into AD 0 minus BC 0. If you simplify this, whatever you got, that will be the determinant of the math. So this determinant chapter is very important. In that one, you are going to get another 5 marks question, another 4 marks question, and another 2 marks question, like that. So, and from tomorrow, don't ask any doubt like, shall I write this in rough notes or fair notes? You should write in the classwork notes only. You just copy this entire and make it serious and be regular to the classroom. Okay, then all doubts will be clear. Nothing to worry. Do slowly and correctly. Right? Have a good day.